Hello everyone, I'm Bhavna and I welcome you all on behalf of Simply Body Talk on our course which is called as Body Language for Business. A comprehensive masterclass where you will be able to enhance your business conversion ratio and also improve your relationship with your clients. So, that would bring you to the question as to why you need body language. It's perfectly summed by the physicist John Napier, who says if language was given to men to conceal their thoughts, then gesture's purpose was to disclose them. Precisely summing up what body language is all about. Now let's see who all can actually apply for the course. So it's for anyone and everyone who's a working professional, wants to improve their workplace performance. So they can enroll for the course. Say suppose if you're a team manager handling a team, so if there's a conflict happening in the team in a very short span, trying to understand the reason for the conflicts by the different signals that are given by the team members, then you can enroll definitely for the course. Then if you are someone who's a business leader, so if you're in a high-stake negotiation setting, this course will also help you to have a win-win deal at the end of the day. So yeah, it's for anyone and everyone who wishes to learn and improve in their corporate or business life. So let's start with the course by understanding who we are as a company. So Simply Body Talk has been existing since 2013 in India and Europe. We work under the niche area of non-verbal communication. That means we help individuals and organizations to develop professionally so that they are able to not only enhance their professional life but also the output that they are giving with the help of non-verbal signs. So now let's quickly see what are the different solutions that we have for you. So we have corporate training, which is an elaborative assignments that we do for organizations on different topics for senior VPs, HR heads, CHROs, CEOs, so on and so forth. We also have personal coaching where we give one-on-one inputs to the people on topics like sales, negotiations, and women leadership, and so on and so forth. We also do open format events which are held across the world. So what we do, we release a calendar which has list of topics that we would do at the end of the day or over the year. Then we have an online course just like this one where you can enroll for different areas depending on your needs as per your flexibility, learn whenever you want to. And if you want to become a trainer in body language, then we also have a course called as the Train the Trainer, where we give you comprehensive tips and tricks which will help you to not only imbibe body language but also become a trainer at the end of the day. So with all of this, let's see some of our clients whom we have worked with. So these are the clients that we have worked. As you can see, they belong to different domains of various organizations. Now, let me quickly tell you something about myself. I'm Bhavna Soleria. I'm the behavioral trainer and coach of Simply Body Talk. I undertake coaching, group as well as one-on-one. I also do workshops and webinars for level 1 and level 2. These are some of the clients that I've worked with. Now, with all of this, your wait is finally getting over as to what all would be covered. So, we'll have 8 power-packed modules for you, which will be full of tips, loads of case studies, and obviously some myths that you would have, busting them in each and every session. So every module will be a learning for you which you would be able to apply each and every aspect of your life. Now let's quickly see what are the different topics that we would be covering in detail in each and every module. So in the first one we'll be seeing why do we need non-verbal communication, the need for it, and in the next one we'll be seeing importance of body language. So what are those areas where we need body language as an individual to grow in our corporate life. Then we'll be seeing different applications of body language, meaning what are the areas where it applies. So be it presentations, be it sales, be it maintaining a work-life balance or handling difficult situations, what and how body language can help us as an individual. Then we'll be finally seeing how do we read body language. So what are the process or the steps that are involved when it comes to reading body language. Then the best way we are going to do this is by doing a real life activity which would give you a hands-on practice of how to observe or what to observe. Then we'll also give you a real life case study which would be involving famous people which you would be aware of, because what better way to learn body language than trying to see how it looks like on real people. Then finally, we'll be seeing what happens when words and actions are not matching. What do we do then? And at the end, we'll have a final wrap up of what all have we covered overall in each and every module by the end of the session. And if you thought this is all you're going to get, there's more. So whatever we are going to discuss in the entire course of 8 modules, all the tips and tricks you can apply anywhere and everywhere, meaning they are universal. So the meaning of these gestures would remain exactly the same regardless of the city, village or any part of the country or world you're doing. For that reason, we are including images of different personalities, meaning people belonging to different cultures, their images are included, they are included as case study, so that you know how does body language look like on different people and still the meaning of them remains the same. And finally, this is not all, you also get some free giveaways from our end. So you'll be getting free ebooks on real life case study, also some effective tips which will help you to become a better business leader, how to enhance your workplace communication. For that also we have an ebook for you. Then we are also going to give you a cheat sheet of body language which will be a quick reference for you. So wherever you want to go, you can just refer to the sheet, and then which will help you in your daily interactions at your work. Also, this is not all, you'll be also getting a detailed day-wise agenda which we would be giving you as a free giveaway. So yeah, so that was all for the entire session that we have discussed. In the next session, we'll be discussing why is body language important. So I'll wait for you for next session. Thank you.